Okay, take a bow. Nay, ako, di naman maglilisa lang. Bow. Ayan, oh, wave your hands. Wave, oh, vote for us. Kinayo mo kanya. Okay, Jacob, down. Follow Jacob. Go back to your place. Next, let's have Majesty team. Okay. Okay, sorry. Team, lead, ibig sabihin, L, leadership. E, excellence. A, action. Ay, action na. Sige. D, discipline. Wow, alright. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng pangalan. Next, Team Majesty. M, marvelous. A, accountable. J, joyful. E, energetic. T, tough. Y, young. Okay. Team Majesty. Let's have Grade 6 representative, Zia Kaylee Jose. Okay. Grade 5 representative, Yohan Juan. Ay, Team Lead. Ang palakpak kayo. Ang mga pin. Ay, Team Majesty. Ang palakpak kayo. Si kayo amin. Grade 4 representative, Hailey May Macnis. Grade 3 representative, Mien Riley Bascones. Protocol officer, Jason.
Jason Clyde. Jason Clyde.
Jason Clyde Mohe. PIO, Princess Sharibi Rabaha. Next, auditor, Prince Jorens Guillermo. Treasurer, Althea Don Musni. Secretary, Zian Janine Urata. Vice President, J-Ro Prince Rodriguez. And the President, Hazen Kira Tabangay. Okay. Lapa si Reggie be. Para si Reggie. Lapa si Reggie Okay. Okay. So this is the Team Majesty. Okay. Smile. Bow. Wave. Alright. Okay. Sige. Sikamuti muna anak. Go back to your place. And then let's start with your speeches, your promises, your plans, your goals for a Move 1 Elementary School. Okay. Galingan nyo siguraduhan nyo nga data ibagbagayo na awatan nyo. Okay, baka ni mamang iyo tinangaramid kin ata speech yo, tapos di mo nawawatan no niya kaya nga sawod. Di bali nga Ilocano, basta mawatan nyo amin. Ay, impay memorize. Mas napimpintas no i-memorize, tapos no nagsauka, it should be from the heart. Na ibig sabihin ay gagawin mo dahil yan ang ipinangako mo sa mga schoolmates mo. Okay, let's start with Team Majesty. Ano muna na patay? Kasi kayo muti muna. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sige, ganyan ang ganito. Inhale. Ha! Okay, ready? When you exhale, you say, ha! Okay. Ay, ang asi kayo, isuda. Ang role nyo dyan, tagapalakpak, tagadungag kayo lang. Okay, ready? Team Majesty, inhale, deep breath. Exhale, ha! Halata na may kakaragata ka baka bayaw. Okay, so this time, may I have the President. Okay. Hazen
teaching staff, headed by our awesome principal, Paulino Lazo. Sir, to my fellow learners, fellow candidates of this SELG election, parents, a pleasant day to all of you. To those who don't know me yet, I am Hazen K. Menor Tabangay, grade 5 learner, under the advisory class of Ma'am Mila. To run as a president, it's not an easy decision. Maraming tanong sa aking kaisipan. Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba maging isang leader o modelo sa aking kapwa kong mag-aaral? Supposed to be I'm giving up because some bullets say, pabida ka man eh. But here I am, stand in front of you, with confidence to be a good leader, and to serve with honesty and make our school even better. Mga kapwa kong mag-aaral, sana supportahan po ninyo ako at aking buong grupo. Muli, ako po si Hazen Kera Tabangay, running for the position of President. Vote straight, Team Majesty. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, then next we have Jairo Prince Rodriguez.
Magandang araw po sa ating mga guro at kapwa ko mag-aaral. Ako po si Jairo Prince M. Rodriguez, tumatakbo bilang Vice President ng SELG sa ilalim ng Team Majesty. Bilang bahagi ng Majesty, nangangako ako na magiging responsable, masipag at handang makinig sa boses ng bawat estudyante. Gusto kong maging katuwang ninyo sa paggawa ng mga proyektong makatutulong sa ating paaralan at sa kapwa ko mag-aaral. Kung ako ay inyong pagkakatiwalaan, sisikapin kong maging isang Vice President na tapat sa tungkulin at maaasahan ng lahat. Suportahan niyo po ako at ang Team Majesty. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, next, Zian Janine Urata.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Paul, and to our respective teachers of this SELG election. To those who don't know me yet, I'm Zian Janine A. Urata, a grade 5 student. Under the advisory of Ma'am Mila Cross Timbol, I am running for the position of secretary. Please do vote for me and my team. Thank you.
Okay, next, Prince Lawrence. Ay, mali, sorry. Althea Don Musni.
Go, Bella! Good morning, everyone, especially to our teachers and our handsome principal, Sir Paulino M. Lazo. Sir, I am Althea Don A. Musni, and I am running to be your next treasurer. A good organization needs a clear roadmap. I will make sure our records are organized, updated, and always open for your review. I believe in clean books and smart budgeting. If you want someone who is good with details and responsible with our funds, please cast your vote on me and my teammates. Together, let's make it happen. Thank you.
Okay, next, Prince Lawrence Guillermo.
Good morning, everyone. I am Prince Lawrence Guillermo, running for the position of auditor. Handa akong maglingkod at maging boses ninyo sa ating paaralan. Simple lang ang aking pangako. Tapat na serbisyo para sa lahat. Please vote me and my teammates. Thank you.
Okay, and then, Princess Sherry B. Rabaha.
Good morning, teachers, parents, my fellow pupils, and beloved principal, Sir Paulino Lazo. I'm Princess Shari B. Arabaha, a 9 years old grade 4 pupil, running for Public Information Officer. If elected, I will help keep everyone informed to the best of my ability. I will make sure pupils remember important announcements and school activities. If someone has a problem, I will help them talk it out with our teachers. I will share school news clearly and fairly as I'm kind, honest, and responsible in giving information. If you vote me, I will work hard to help keep our school happy, calm, and informed. Thank you. Please vote me as your PIO.
Alright, next, Jason Clyde Monghe.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jason Clyde Demon Head, and I am from grade 4, running for the position of a protocol officer. What a protocol officer? Well, it means I keep our class and school nice and orderly. I greet guests with a smile, make sure we follow a good manners in class and during school events, and help everyone feel welcome. I am good at listening to teachers and friends, and I always try to be polite. I want to make our class and school a happy place where everyone knows how to show respect to each other and to our school. If you vote for me, I promise to do my best every single day. Thank you for listening. Please vote for me.
Ay, nagrigat kaya ti agsao dito'y harapan, maubing. Nga ti audience mo kat, nangangato boses na, nga magigsasao dito'y. Iso nga si kayo mat, kat dapat disiplinado niya. O, ibagayo na magpagayo, disiplinado ako. Ituro mo, idisiplinado ako, go. Makikinig ako. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin kung talagang makikinig. Okay. Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Ay, baga tayo man. Wow! AES! Alright. So, let's continue with the grade 3 representative, Mien Riley Bascones.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Ako si Riley Bascones, ang iyong representative ng grade 3. Nandito ako upang maglingkod at tulungan ang ating mga kaklase na magkaroon ng masaya at matagumpay na taon. Bilang inyong representative, gagawin ko ang aking makakaya upang makinig sa mga aking makakaya upang makinig inyong mga concerns, inyong magbigay at ng suporta sa ating mga kaklase na may mga pangangailangan. Gagawin ko ang aking best. Salamat sa inyong suporta at tiwala. Ako si Mianray Bascones, ang inyong representative. Thank you.
Galing naman ni Mien. Grade 2 pa lang ata, pero naglayngag sa una. Okay, next. Grade 4 representative, Kaylee May Pacnis.
Good day, everyone. I am Hailey May Pacnis, running for grade 4 representative. If you choose me, I promise to listen to your ideas, help solve problems, and be kind and fair to everyone. I will try my very best to be a good example and make our class happy and unity. So please support me and vote for me. Thank you.
Okay, next, Johan, 1.
Hello, fellow students. I'm Johan Yuan and excited to stand before you today as a candidate for grade 5 representative of our school. I'm passionate about making our school a better place for everyone. Please vote me and my teammates. Thank you.
And then, last but not the least, grade 6 representative, Zia Kaylee Jose.
Good morning, everyone, especially to Sir Paulino and Nando, and to my fellow learners and candidates in this SELG election. My name is Zia Kaylee Jose, and I'm running to be your grade 6 representative. Please vote me and my team. Thank you.
Okay, another round of applause for Team Majesty. Okay, Team Majesty, please stand and then present yourselves again on stage. Come on, with a smile. Alright, kumita ka niya yun. Kumita ka niya dan. Wave your hands. Okay, smile. Ako, nag-wave ka. Di nga to, itama ni. Di nga to. Yan, palakpakan sila. Team Majesty. Alright. Okay, exit. There, Kaylee. Get ready. Team Lee. Ay, may yell ba kayo? May yell kayo? Wala. Ay, wala daw, ma'am. May kayo. Si kayo, Dayalia? Ay, grabe. Meron daw. Alright, so, to start with, let's have Jacob Ryan Rabanal.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Sa ating mga mahal na guro, school head at higit sa lahat, my fellow learners. Ako po si Jacob Ryan Rabanal at buong tapang at siglang tumatakbo bilang President ng Supreme Elementary Learner Government. Mga kaibigan, naniniwala ako na ang tunay na leader ay hindi lang nakaupo at nakatayo sa harap. Ang tunay na leader ay nakikinig, kumikilos at naglilingkod. Gusto kong maging boses ninyo, boses ng mga estudyanteng may ideas, at boses ng mga mag-aaral na gustong marinig, at boses ng mga mag-aaral na handang makisa para sa mas magandang paaralan. As your president, I will listen to your ideas and concern to promote discipline, respect, and unity. Be a good example in school and in class. Work together with our teachers for a more fun, active, and friendly school. Hindi ito tungkol sa akin. This is about us, about teamwork, about leadership, about making our school a better place for everyone. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng isang pangulong may bisyo ay vision pala. Kung gusto nyo ng leader na may gawa, hindi lang salita, ibigay nyo ang tiwala sa akin. Together, let's lead, let's serve, and let's succeed. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang team lead, leadership, excellent, action, discipline. Mabuhay ang CLG, mabuhay ang ating paaralan.
Alright. Sige, next. Elaine de la Cruz.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Elaine A. de la Cruz. I am running for the position of Vice President. Please vote for me and my team. When I am elected, I promise to do my best and be responsible. Thank you.
Okay, next. Chanel Lindsay Ubare.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, mga guro, sa aking kapwa mag-aaral, at sa lahat po ng naririto. Ako po si Chanel Lindsay Ubare at ako po ay tumatakbo bilang SELG Secretary. Bilang Secretary, mahalaga ang pagiging responsable at maaasahan. At kung ako po ay papalagin, sisikapin kong maitala ng maayos ang bawat meeting, plano at desisyon ng aming grupo. Sisiguraduhin ko rin na malinaw at maayos ang mga impormasyon na ipinapasa sa mga mag-aaral. Hindi lang po ako nagsusulat, kundi nakikinig din po ako sa inyong mga opinyon dahil mahalaga ang boses ng bawat isa. Hindi man po ako perfecto pero handa po akong maglingkod, matuto at ibigay ang aking buong kakayahan para sa ikakabuti ng ating paaralan. Thank you.
Where are the present officers? SLE, SELG officers. Pakitingnan nga ninyo kung sino yung most behaved class. At tsaka yung sino yung pinakamarami pa din nakaupo ng maayos. Kasi yung nasa gitna, taltalun sa grade 5 bitan Unong patda. Kasi labas ng labas kung saan-saan pumupunta. Vitamin D pa ilang ata ubeng. Kaya paarawan yung sarili. Tapno, lumakas ang katawan. Okay. Next, let's move on to Amira Albano. Thank you, grade 5.
Good day, teachers, officers, my fellow students, and especially Sir Paul. My name is Amira Torres P. Albano, and I am humbly running for the position of SELG Treasurer for the incoming school year 2026-2027. As Treasurer, I understand that my role is to manage our funds with honesty, responsibility, and transparency. Every contribution from the students should be handled wisely and used for activities that benefit everyone. If elected, I promise to keep accurate financial records, give clean reports, and make sure that all funds are used properly and fairly. I am willing to learn, to listen, and to serve the student body with dedication and integrity. I ask for your trust and support. Thank you, and together, let us make this school year meaningful and successful. And again, I am Amira Torres P. Albano, so please vote for me and my teammates.
Okay, next, Princess Joy Barcarce.
Good morning to our respect principal, teachers, and fellow students. My name is Princess Joy U. Barcarce. I am running for ELG Auditor. If I given the chance, I promise to use my time to serve honestly and responsibly. Please vote me in my team. Thank you. Magandang araw po sa ating mahal na guro, school official at aking mga kapwa mag-aaral. Ako po si Alyssa Jane D. Urbano at ako po ay tumatakbo bilang Public Information Officer o PIO. Bilang PIO, ang aking tungkulin ay ipaalam sa lahat ang aking mga mahalagang balita, anunsyo at gawain sa ating paaralan. Sisikapin kong maging masipag, responsable at handang tumulong upang siguraduhin na lahat ay may tamang impormasyon. Kung ako po ay inyong iboboto, pangakong gagawin ko ang aking makakaya, makikinig sa aking mga kaklase at makikipagtulungan sa mga guro at opisyal ng paaralan. Muli, ako po si Alyssa Jane D. Urbano. Humihingi ng inyong tiwala at suporta. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, next. Jamaica Nicole Maribay.
Good day, teachers, principal, and fellow students. My name is Jamaica Nicole D. Maribay, a grade 4 student running for SELG Protocol Officer. A protocol officer helps keep the school organized and respectful. If I am elected, I will remind students to follow school rules, line up properly, be respectful to teachers and classmates, and behave during school activities. I promise to be kind, fair, and responsible. I will help my classmates and listen to their concerns. Together, we can make our school safe, happy, and peaceful. Once again, please vote for me and my teammates. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, next. Grade 3 representative, Zia Echenique.
Good day, everyone. I'm Sia Echenique, the grade 3 representative. And I'm here to represent our class and make sure our voices are heard. I promise to listen to your ideas and concerns, help solve problems, and make our school a happy place. Let's work together to make our school the best it can be. Thank you.
Cute na kita grade 2. Okay. Thank you. Next, grade 4 representative, Dane Tabangay.
Morning, everyone. My name is Dane L. Tabangay, running for the position of grade 4 representative. Please vote for me and my team. Thank you.
Then we have grade 5 representative, Linnea Ivane Suan.
Good day, everyone. I'm Linnea Ivane Suan, running to the position of representative. My team and I promise to serve you a dedicated and transparency. I committed to listen to your voices. Please vote me and my team.
Okay, last but not the least, Aliyah Ace de la Cruz.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aliyah Ace de la Cruz. I'm running to the position of grade 6 representative. I will promise I will take responsibility, kindness, and cleanliness. So please vote me and my teammates. Thank you.
Alright, another round of applause na may kasamang hiyawan! Alright, so this time, okay, I will present to you the President of Team Majesty and the President of Team Ling para makita ninyo kung sino ang iboboto ninyo. Okay? Before that, Kasi ubing, pwede kayo agibuto. Agbota di jay, team lead, mahala kayo mo jay, team majesty. Mabalin kas jay, magmabalin ti straight, mabalin na tamat. Ngamnok, ti kunam, adamot ti kayat mo di jay team lead, adamot kayat mo di team majesty. Okay lang, tamat ay jay. Okay? Alright. The president of Team Lead, Jacob Ryan Rabanal. Agwave ka mo tabi. Jay. Next. And the president of Team Majesty, Hazen Tabangay. Kitawin yun. Dagita, iti pagpilian nyo. Iti president. Nakita yung idan. Wait kayo Alright. Next. Vice President Wingham Elaine De La Cruz for Team League and J. Rafael Rodriguez for Team Majesty. Yan. Then, Chanel Lindsay Warren, Secretary, and Zian Janine Uraka. Okay, next, Amira Albano for Treasurer and Althea Don Muslim. Next, Auditor Princess Joy Barcase and Prince Dorrance Guillermo. Next, Auditor Princess Joy Barcase and Prince Dorrance Guillermo. Ay, sorry. Next, okay, next we have Eliza Jane Urbano and Princess Caribe Rabaha. And then Protocol Officer Jamaica Nicole Maribay and Jason Klein Mohe. Okay. Grade 3 representative, ito babana. Alright, we have Zia Echanique, Dane Tabangay, Linnea Bensuan, and Aliyah Ace De La Cruz. Sa baba, sako. Gini.
Okay,
next. And get ready for your, Next, representatives for Team Majesty, Minion Riley Vasconas, Hailey May Patnis, Johan Juan, and Zia Kaylee Jose. Alright, palakpakan ulit sila!